and thank you for everybody watching. Hope you're enjoying it. Well, today was going to be us doing something totally different today, but I'm still waiting for the bloody parts to come in. I know, tell me about it. So I kind of thought we're going to do something else. So we need a side subframe, because the doors, the striker, this striker here, let's get that off, somehow, get off. Right, this is obviously mounted on there, and with the door going up and down all the time, there's a lot of stress going to be going on there. So we're going to build an inner subframe. Well, we'll weld it on, because it's pointless bolting it on. It's not going to come back off. So what I've done is I've done a test piece. I bent a test piece. I'll show you how we done that in a minute. And that will go. Look at that. Look at the bend on that. Absolutely bloody lovely. So we'll bend a load of them all the way through there, and one up the back, at the back of here, for the striker plate to sit on, and then I'll give it plenty of strength. So let me just go and show you how we make the bend. Back in the OG garage where it all started. So I was hoping to put it in here. Come on. Bloody colour. Take it off. I was hoping to put it in the rollers and roll it, but it don't open up enough. So I might even do something with that so it does open up enough. But we got one of these, right? And I got this set up, as you can see, and all I've done is I fed this through here, and every same width as that pump, I just move it. So there, and there, and there, and there, and so on. And then we get a lovely bend, as you can see. Here's the lovely bend, which I'm quite happy about. That's a test piece. We can chuck that. We can cut some new pieces. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Tape measure. Tape measure. We're going to need a gap about 130 mil, and that will give us the exact bend of the outer shell, which is marvellous. So I just got to cut some pieces now. I'll show you on our newly formed bender how it goes. So let me just go and cut some steel, and then we'll put it on the press machine. Here we all are, set up, ready to go. So basically we just start pumping, and that's all it is. I'm not pump too far though, just a little bit. That's enough. So let that up, and we reset for the next one. There's the next one, and pump again. That, and then so on. The next one. Again. And then we do it all the way along. I'll take this out now so you can see how it's coming out. There we are, look. It's coming out absolutely lovely. And now you just keep going. So I got all them to do, and it's going to take me a while. Right, we have all our supports in, which will help us bond the body to the chassis. This is we're going to have struts going right the way across the top, and then we're going to have this one coming up to join up to here. So we got at least those are cut. I've got these cut, and I got the other side cut out, ready to go and bent. They took a while, so they're all there ready to go. But we'll concentrate on this side first, and then we can get that side subframe done in, which will take the weight of this as well, because I'm going to put some more down on that side, so I'll support the weight of this. Anybody, I pack it up and someone wants to sit on it for a photograph or lean up against it, it's not going to crack the fiberglass or anything. It's going to be absolutely solid, and it will take the weight of the door slamming down on that all the time, so I shouldn't get any cracking or anything like that around there. It's coming along lovely. I'm just in the middle of giving them a spray, because when they're in there I won't be able to spray it because it'll be up against the body. So we get some paint on here, spray them with black as well, and then we can weld them all in place, and I won't have to worry about painting them then when they're in there against the body, because that'll be pretty much impossible. So spray the backs so we don't have to take them, try and get the body off to respray it. It's a little tip for you. Sprayed up, just gotta wait for them to dry now, and then we can crack on with building the rest of them and spraying them up, and then we can weld them to the chassis then. We've prepped our surface for welding, so all we gotta do now is grab our pieces and weld them in. Stage 1 complete in painted, just waiting for the paint to dry, and then we gotta sort all that out down in there then. Okay, that's all in. That's all in there now. And what I'm going to build now is up here is a double support to support. Oh, there goes my steel. Bit of support to go across here, because you can see some micro fractures in there I'll have to fix later on. So we're going to go from here to here, and then back across with a double support. You'll see it when I put it together now. This up for now so you can see what's going on in my head, and then this will go under. Hang on a minute people, this will go under here and support that. So just gonna weld this up now and give it a spray paint, because we won't be able to get around the back to spray it, and then we'll see you in a minute. That part all nice and sprayed up now, and now we're going to fit him underneath there to take the weight. So I'll just tack them in, and then we have another look at it. Okay, that bit's in, looking pretty good. I brought it across and support it over there. So all we got to do now is down from that way onto there now. This is the last piece, and this will go, the door thing will go on there, and that we've got to get that in there now. So just waiting for it to dry a little bit more, and then we'll weld them in. Right, there we have it guys and girls, we've done it, and now all I got to do now is the same on the other side. But yeah, at least we got a little bit more structure there, and for the door pin and stuff like that. And let me just say thank you for everybody watching, and we shall catch you in the next one. Ta-ra now.